Narcy Novak was back in federal court in White Plains. She's charged with hiring several men to kill her millionaire husband, Ben Novak Jr., at the Rye Town Hilton here in Westchester. But now there's word that one of Narcy's co-defendants could plead guilty, and that may impact the case against her going forward. News 12's Kristen Thorne is in White Plains for us tonight. She's got the latest on all of this. Kristen.
Suzanne, we're learning that one of the men Narcy Novak allegedly hired to kill her husband is now working with the U.S. Attorney's Office. However, Narcy Novak's attorney says he's not worried about that.
My client continues to assert her innocence. We've pled not guilty.
Still, after her court appearance in federal court in White Plains Thursday, Narcy Novak went back to her jail cell. Novak is accused of hiring 3 men to kill her husband, millionaire Ben Novak Jr. It happened at the Rye Town Hilton Hotel in July 2009. The couple was here on a business trip. Prosecutors say Novak watched as her brother, Cristobal Valise, and 2 other men, Dennis Ramirez and Joel Gonzalez, beat her husband to death. Now there's word that Gonzalez may be cooperating with the U.S. Attorney's Office. The attorneys for all the other defendants were in federal court today for a status hearing, but Gonzalez's attorney wasn't there, raising eyebrows.
I don't know, again, whether this person is cooperating or not, but if he is, I don't believe that he'll be able to do anything to hurt my client. She continues to assert her innocence.
But prosecutors said today they're planning to expand their case against Novak. They believe Novak, as well as her brother, were responsible for plotting the beating death of Ben Novak's mother, Bernice Novak. You could see her here in this picture in the upper right-hand corner. She was found dead in her Florida home 3 months before Ben Novak was murdered. At first, her death was ruled accidental, but now investigators say it was a homicide. And prosecutors have until early April to tell defense attorneys if they plan to include the homicide of Bernice Novak into their arguments, meaning that's something that they would bring to trial. So everyone will be back here April 8th. As for Joel Gonzalez's attorney, I did try to get in touch with her, but she did not get back in touch with me.